Let me show you how to never lose a single bet in your entire life. Suppose you have a total of 500 rupees. What I want you to do is take some amount and put it on team A and the remaining on team B. Basically, you bet on both the teams but very smartly. Suppose RCB is playing CSK and RCB stake is 2x and CSK stake is 1.7x. Now you don't divide the money equally. You divide the money very smartly, which I will show you how to do later on. Anyways, after dividing, you get 229.73 and 270.27. But don't get scared of these numbers, okay? You will put 229.73 on RCB and 270.27 on CSK. And when the match gets over, irrespective of who wins, you will get a total of 459.46. So you invested 500 but got back only 459.46, which is a loss of 41 rupees, right? Just wait, because by the end of this video, I will make sure each and every one of you understand how to make a profit irrespective of which team wins. Anyways, I've heard that if you like and subscribe at the same time, then this video will reach everyone's feed. Now I want you to listen very carefully. What if you bet 280 rupees on RCB before the match started when RCB stake was only 2x and bet nothing on CSK? Then you will be left with 220 rupees. Easy and simple till now, right? Now wait. So RCB wins the toss and decides to ball, and after the match starts, RCB balls very well and takes 2 of CSK's wickets in the first over. Now let's just assume because of bad performance that CSK stake has gone up to 3.2, and at this point of time, neither CSK nor RCB, you win the game. Because now if you put the remaining 220 rupees on CSK, look at the result. If RCB wins, you get 280 into 2, which is equal to 560, and lose the 220 you put on CSK, which is a total profit of 60 rupees. If CSK wins, you get 220 into 3.2, which is equal to 704, and lose the 280 you put on RCB, but you still get a profit of 204 rupees. Now whichever team wins, it doesn't really matter because you always win. But it's not that easy. You need to learn about these 3 rules first, or else you won't be able to do it. Number 1, how to calculate and how much to put. Very easy actually. I have mentioned the link in the description where you guys can enter the stake of the teams and how much money you have, and this website will tell you exactly how much to put and how much profit or loss you will make. This is example number 1 where I am in a loss, and this is example number 2 where I am in a profit. Number 2, this doesn't always work, because if it did, don't you think everybody would be doing it? Let me explain it to you in very simple words with the same RCB example. So you bet 280 rupees on RCB before the match starts, but from the very first ball CSK dominates the entire game, and because of this RCB's stake keeps going higher and higher, and CSK's stake keeps getting lower and lower, and their stake does not reach break-even point. Break-even point? What is break-even point? Break-even is basically the point where you make no profit and no loss. And with respect to this scenario, the break-even is 2x. So you can only make a profit until and unless CSK's stake reaches 2x. But if that doesn't happen because CSK dominates the entire game, then my friend, I'm afraid that you will lose your money. Bonus tip to keep in mind: anytime you bet on a sport which has 2 probabilities, like win or lose, then make sure you bet on both the teams only when the stake crosses 2x, or else you will lose your money. And number 3, what if you want to bet on sports like football and chess, where there are 3 outcomes: win, lose and draw? Well, then the calculations are very different, but don't worry, if this video gets 500 likes and 200 comments, I will make a video on that only for you guys. And now the most important thing: neither do I do betting nor am I promoting it. I'm just showing you how and what professional bettors do to make money. If you have any doubt, then do comment and I will reply within 1 minute. Also do subscribe, since I'm trying to build India's biggest sports community.